These are served cold, stuffed with meat or potatoes. Welcome to your guardian chef, your angel in the kitchen. Today I'm making 2 stuffed vegetables, one filled with veals and sausage and one vegetarian with potatoes. They're served cold so I can make them in the morning and have them in the fridge ready to be served. Eggplant or zucchini, this is how you make a complete meal with plenty of vegetables. These are the ingredients you need for the round meat stuffed vegetables. And these are the ingredients you need for the potato stuffed vegetables. The measurements are in the description below, and you can find and print the full detailed recipe on my blog on the link above. Let me start with the cold stuffed round eggplants. If you cannot find these round eggplants, you can use the regular one. Cut a small lid off the top of each one and scoop out the inside without breaking the shell. Put the pulp in a strainer and salt it, so it drains and loses its bitterness while I make the filling. Soak some stale bread in a little milk. I use stale bread, not panko, for the taste and the texture. Chop an onion and some parsley and soften them in butter. This flavors the filling. In a bowl, put the ground veal, the sausage, taken out of the casing, the softened onion, the Parmigiano, 2 eggs and the soaked squeezed bread, salt and a little nutmeg and some parsley. You can use beef or pork instead of veal. They all work here. Knead it by hand until it's even. Fill the eggplant shell with the meat. Put their little lids back on. Set them in a baking dish, drizzle with olive oil and bake the 375 Fahrenheit 190 Celsius for close to an hour. Cover them with foil after the first half an hour. While they bake, cook the eggplant pulp you kept. Saute a little parsley and a clove of garlic in olive oil. Add the pulp, washed, squeezed and chopped. Let it cook gently. Hard boil 1 egg. Let it cool and chop it finely. When the eggplant are baked, let them cool completely. Take off the lid and cut each one in half. Blend the cooked pulp with the yogurt for 2 minutes into a smooth cream. Then chill it. The yogurt is what keeps the cream light and fresh, and I will not use cream. It would be too heavy. Stir a little parsley into the cold cream, spread it over the cut eggplants, scatter the chopped egg on top and finish each one with a parsley leaf. Now the vegetarian version. The stuffed zucchini and eggplant. Boil 2 potatoes, peel them and mash them straight away with a little olive oil into a soft puree. The potato is what gives its filling its structures and a smooth texture, so do not leave it out. Boil the whole zucchini and eggplant for 15 minutes. Then cut them in half and hollow them out with a spoon, keeping the pulp. Sauté the zucchini pulp and the eggplant pulp separately with butter, adding the breadcrumbs from the stale bread and a little parsley. Keep them into bowls so you have 2 different fillings. Into each bowl, put the mashed potato, the grated Parmigiano, the egg and a pinch of salt. You can use pecorino or another cheese in place of the Parmigiano. Beat each one with a wooden spoon until it's soft and smooth. Then fill the matching shell. Put them in a well-oiled baking sheet and bake at 350 Fahrenheit 180 Celsius for about 30 minutes until the top is golden and puffed. They're ideal for a buffet, as an antipasto or a side dish, as you can make them ahead of time and serve them cold. For a summer table, I like to serve the whole collection of stuffed vegetables together. For more Italian stuffed vegetable recipe like this one, check out the playlist I've linked for you, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out our next culinary adventure. I keep them in the fridge, and the boy can help themselves when they are hungry.